I like to think of private law as dealing with some of the fundamental building blocks of civil law. That can include family law, contract, property, damages, succession, trusts. It can also deal with international private law, where we're trying to work out which law applies to a particular situation. Sometimes it can also be described as dealing with interpersonal justice. Private law operates often in the background. We often don't know that it's there, but whether it's in our family situation or whether it's dealing with property, often when a problem arises, private law will step in and provide default rules for the resolution of a particular dispute. We may not always notice it, but it's a fundamental background area of law that's absolutely foundational to civil society. Here at Glasgow, we have over 20 researchers in the private law research group. Some are postgraduate researchers, some of us are mid-career and also professors. We're based here in the Stair building and in the Stone building on the Gilmore Hill campus. Here in the private law research group, academics and researchers take varying methodological approaches. So we have doctrinal approaches, we have historical approaches, we have comparative approaches, and we also have theoretical approaches. And that diversity means that we have different perspectives in the school, helping us to understand how these fundamental areas of our civil law operate in of themselves, but also how they affect society, and also hopefully understand how they're embedded within a larger societal structure. Colleagues in the private law research group are also interested in policy work and advising, whether it's the third sector or advising government and parliament on the reform of law and how we might change or adapt private law, or actually areas where private law may not need changed, but other factors are at play. It's an area where we can add a lot of value and also contribute to how we understand the efficiency and utility of law reform and help identify the key places where that law reform is needed. So on this webpage, you can find out who's in the private law team, the current projects that people are working on, and recent publications. Feel free to make yourself at home.